Hello students, in this part we will discuss on some timeline of the timeline on the earth as well as evolution, how the origin and evolution of the plants as well as other organisms. Firstly, the scientists in the beginning, when they started about the study of organism as well as data of fossil, at the time they divided the time into the of the earth in the longest block or the largest block, that is called eras, and then eras subdivided into two blocks such like as periods and then periods two as well as epochs. Then timeline of evolution, timeline of evolution. When scientists first began to study and date of fossils, they divided the earth past into large block of time called eras. eras stand for, in हिंदी में कहते हैं इसको युग. eras are further subdivided into small blocks of time called periods. eras means yug, periods means avdhi, and period into epochs, and period into epoch means kal. Example of eras: पैलियोजोइक. पैलियोजिक मीन्स पुराजीवी, जो पुरातन समय में जो जीव थे. मेसोजोइक मध्यजीवी, एंड सीनोजोइक मीन्स नवजीवी. These were the eras. And periods: Silurian, Jurassic, in the Jurassic, then the time period of the dinosaur, Tertiary and Quaternary. The periods were divided into four stand for Silurian, Jurassic, Tertiary and Quaternary. In the epochs: Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene and Pleistocene. These were the time blocks which were divided at the first or initial by the different scientists on the earth. Then you have to write a brief account of evolution. And about the plants, origin and evolution. First जो organism which were produced on earth was plant, or plants means green algae. Those green algae has the capacity to change to produce O2 gas by the photosynthesis process. Brief account of evolution, plants, origin and evolution. Chlorophytes means that contain chlorophyll. Ancestors are the aquatic green algae. Plants के जो ancestor थे सबसे पहले कौन थे? Aquatic, water के अंदर ही green algae, aquatic green algae, which are supposed to give rise to all the greenland plants such as bryophytes and tracheophytes all plants after that, bryophyte, tracheophyte means thallophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm, all those are evolved from the green algae which was firstly found in the water on earth. The life began in water. The first life began in water. The life began in water, and slowly life forms, and slowly life form invaded the earth. जो लाइफ स्टार्ट हुई सबसे पहले कहाँ? वाटर के अंदर, उसके बाद ऑल इन्वेडेड ऑन द अर्थ. Then this is the evolution or origin of the plants. Plants, the first organism which were found, which was originate on the earth, was green algae, and that is found in water. That slowly originate or evolved in water, and at last it invaded the earth. The next one is origin and evolution of animals. Origin and evolution of animals. As we know that the universe is formed 4.5 billion years ago, and the earth formed 4 billion years ago. But the life started on earth nearly 2000 million years ago. In the beginning, the first cell appeared about 2000 million years ago. MYA stand for million years ago. 2000 million years ago on earth, which has the ability, जो लाइफ फॉर्म स्टार्ट हुई नियरली 2000 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो, उसके अंदर इतनी एबिलिटी थी, इट कैन प्रोड्यूस, इट कैन रिलीज O2 ऑक्सीजन गैस, बिकॉज एट द अर्लियर स्टेज देयर वाज नो फ्री ऑक्सीजन, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड ऑन अर्थ, which has the ability to release O2, release oxygen. Firstly, the organism which was produced, that was single cell, and slowly it converts into multicellular organism. The single cell organisms became multicellular life form, that is equal to, and that is nearly 2000 million years ago. Then these multicellular organisms change into lower organisms, those are called invertebrata, nearly 500 million years ago, and they change into vertebrata just like as Pisces or fishes. Fish were two types: jawless means they don't contain any jaw, agnatha, and with bare jaw, और जिसके अंदर jaws. Evolution of invertebrata. The next one is evolution of invertebrata. Lower animals evolved around 500 million years ago. 500 million years ago. The lower organisms which were produced on earth nearly 500 million years ago. They are still existing. वो अर्थ पे प्रेजेंट थे, उनमें से कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो आज भी प्रेजेंट हैं, और कुछ उनमें से एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए हैं. They are still existing on earth, but some forms have become extinct. उनमें से कुछ ऐसे हैं जो आज भी प्रेजेंट हैं इनवर्टेब्रेटा, और उनमें से कुछ ऐसे हैं जो एक्सटिंक्ट, लुप्त हो गए हैं. Evolution of invertebrata nearly 500 million years ago, and after that evolution of fishes. Evolution of fishes means vertebrata. Vertebrata evolved on the earth nearly 350 million years ago. The jawless fishes, the fishes which do not contain jaw, those are called agnatha. The jawless fishes, agnatha, probably evolved around 350 million years ago. 350 million years ago, there were some jaw bearing, उनमें से कुछ ऐसी भी थी जिनमें जबड़ा प्रेजेंट था. There were some jaw bearing fishes, और जो jaw bearing fishes थी उनके फिन जो थे, those were stronger as well as stout, मजबूत थे, स्टाउट चौड़े थे, और इस फिन की सहायता से दे कैन मूव ऑन लैंड एज वेल इन वाटर. इट मीन्स दे आर एम्फीबियन. jaw bearing fishes which has strong and stout fins. They could move on land, यानी स्टाउट होने के कारण से, स्ट्रॉन्ग होने के कारण से दे कैन मूव ऑन लैंड, एंड स्टाउट होने के कारण से दे कैन स्विम इन वाटर. दे कुड मूव ऑन लैंड एंड स्विम इन वाटर. दे आर कॉल्ड, उन फिशेस को जो जॉ बियरिंग थी, उनके फिन्स जो थे स्टाउट और स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, उनको क्या कहा जाता था? लोब फिन्स. दे आर कॉल्ड लोब फिन्स. और ये माना जाता है लोब फिन हैज बीन एक्सटिंक्टेड. बट इन 1938 इन साउथ अफ्रीका देयर वाज ए वन फिश वाज कॉट एंड दैट रिजेंबल्ड टू द लोब फिन. और उस फिश का नाम क्या था? सिलासेंथ. दे वर कॉल्ड लोब फिन एंड वर थॉट टू बी एक्सटिंक्ट, मतलब खत्म हो चुकी हैं. But in 1938, in South Africa, a fish was caught, which was found to be a lobfin. यानी जो मछली पकड़ी गई 1938 के अंदर साउथ अफ्रीका में, वो जस्ट रिजेंबल टू द लॉबफिन, और इसका नाम क्या था? सिलासेंथ. COELACANTH, सिलासेंथ. इट मीन्स द फिश वाज एम्फीबियन. धीरे धीरे फिश से इवॉल्व हुआ क्या? एम्फीबियन. तो नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट इवोल्यूशन ऑफ एम्फीबियन. फ्रॉम दीज फिशेस, कौन से? लॉब फिन से. फ्रॉम द लॉब फिन्स some animals such as frogs and salamander were evolved. Those are also amphibian. And from amphibian से reptilia का evolution हुआ. Then you have to write evolution of reptilia. इनमें से कुछ ऐसे रेप्टिलिया थे जो अर्थ के ऊपर बहुत बड़े ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर डेवलप्ड हुए, जो अर्थ पे रहने वाले थे. जैसे डायनासोर रेप्टिलिया था. उस डायनासोर के डिसेंडेंट्स जो हो आज भी देखे जा सकते हैं टर्टल, टॉर्टोइज और क्रोकोडाइल के अंदर जो प्रेजेंट हैं. और इसी प्रकार से कुछ फिश लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स जो रेप्टिलिया थे, दे गोज इनटू द वाटर. और जो वाटर के अंदर गए उसका नाम था इस्थायोसॉर्स. डायनासोर was very large in size, but the largest dinosaur, which is known as a Tyrannosaurus, its height is nearly 20 feet. Then you have to write evolution of reptilia. Amphibian evolved in reptilia on land, such as dinosaurs. The largest dinosaur was Tyrannosaurus. सबसे बड़ा जो डायनासोर था उसका नाम था Tyrannosaurus. The height of Tyrannosaur was nearly 20 feet. And they have dreadful teeth. They have dreadful mouth with teeth. These were the reptilia which were found on land. The dinosaur descendant such as turtle, tortoise and crocodiles still now present on earth. A few reptilia which back to the water, कुछ ऐसे रेप्टिलिया थे जो वाटर में चले गए. Those are fish like called ichthyosaurs भी बोलते हैं. ICHTHYOSAUR, ichthyosaurs. So the evolution of reptilia can take place after the just like as on land dinosaur. But there were some various reasons on the earth, various phenomena occurred on the earth. Due to these various phenomena, in nearly 65 million years ago, dinosaur completely extinct on the earth. So then you have to write extinction of dinosaurs. About 65 million years ago, dinosaurs were disappeared due to various reasons on earth. Due to various phenomena on the earth. So extinction of dinosaur can take place. After the extinction of dinosaur, the mammals are produced from reptilia. तो reptilia से evolution किसका हुआ? Mammals का. और mammals just like पहले starting के अंदर mammals very small in size थे, just like a shrew. After extinction of dinosaur, the mammals dominated on the earth. Then you have to write evolution of mammals. After dinosaurs, the small size mammals such as shrews, 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 which were evolved from the reptilia, were dominated the earth. This is the life history of the different types of animal, how the animals started evolution on the earth and how they evolved. As we can say that the animals which are evolved from a fish called lobe fin. The lobe fish has a fin which was strong and stout. By the help of fins, they can move on land as well as they can swim in water. And the first organism which was produced on earth nearly 2000 million years ago was green algae. This green algae contain chloroplast as well as they can synthesize oxygen during the photosynthesis process. In next part we will discuss on the evolution of the human being.